Today, my cousin are playing scary shawarma. Tituon man dito ko. Sorry, my cousin later be annoying. Okay, open the gate. Question. Get some meat, bro. So guys, this is kind of scary. This is very... What the? I think Kiki don't feed in. Sorry sir, but bye-bye. He's gone. See, I told you. She's anomaly. Look. Kiko lang tawa wala oh. Ambalanta ka. Mas monster ka oh. Iba kung masala tan na customer, iba magwa na diyo. Diba? Ambalanta siya, anomaly siya. Wala siya gasmile. Finally, smell amazing. Okay, kay William ako yung 19 mo naman. I'm checking the CCTV this time. Guys, if this get 500 subscribers, my cousin gonna face reveal. It's normal. My cousin gonna face reveal if the subscribers get 500 subscribers, my cousin gonna face reveal. Nobody wants to see your face, Bang. You're gonna face reveal. They already see my face. Yo, what's up? I turn on. Oh yeah, I turn on. Yo, guys. If these subscribers get to 500 subscribers, my cousin gonna face reveal. Oh, why you open the freezer? Don't open the freezer, dude. Oh. I mean, he's normal. So, daya. Da mo ginbutangan ni tay. Uy, anong ginlipat mo? Make... Uy, Kiko, ilipat mo ang coffee. No, tapos na? Wait a minute. Uy, he is a normal person. He's a normal person. This is late at night. Right now is 2 a.m. 2 a.m. or p.m.? 2 a.m. I'm kind of scared. Why does no customer? Why not? There's no customer. Okay guys, this video gonna end. So watch for part 2. Bye bye. Okay, how to... Man, I forgot.